Good day to everybody. I am Dr. Ashok Kaushal, coming from Concordia University in Montreal, Quebec, Canada, and I'm talking to you right from Dayananda Sagar University. This is my second visit, and my experience has just been extremely positive. I interacted with the faculty in terms of the curriculum development, in terms of the capstone projects, and also had the opportunity twice to lecture to the students. Very good interaction with the students. We had extremely good conversations. I also presented the opportunities for them to come abroad if that is of interest for them to pursue their master's PhD program, and we are in the process of signing the letter of intent with DSU. So I'm heading back, and I look forward to have this conversation continue, and I'm sure that we will form a very good partnership between Dayananda Sagar University and Concordia University. Again, it was an excellent opportunity. DSU's mandate about developing the AI structure. So all those talks are happening, and it's been a very positive experience, and I look forward to working with DSU again. Thank you.